To set up your sprayer, 1. Connect the paint hose to the sprayer and tighten it with a wrench. 2. Connect the gun to the hose. Use one wrench to fix the position and the other to tighten. If you don't get this fitting tight enough, you could cause a leak and damage to the surface. Our gun comes with all components installed, but make sure all the connections are tight enough. Pull the gun trigger to spray, and the trigger lock is to prevent the trigger from being pulled accidentally. Third, turn the pressure control knob counterclockwise all the way down to the lowest setting. Make sure the power switch is off. Now, plug the sprayer into a grounded outlet and that's it. Let's get ready to start the sprayer.